Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all we have to open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me start with the one which is probably the most known. It is *#06#. And as you can see by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you the code which is pretty similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check the SAR level, so the head and the body of our device. Tap on Got It and let me show you another code which is again similar to the previous one. It will open the general information about the device. It is *#09#. And as you can see here, we've got two different QR codes, which you can of course scan with another device and check some further details. You can also check the email numbers, again the software, for example, build version, and the RAM size. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *#426##**#. And as you can see, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, and time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further technical details. We can tap on the three dots icon, tap on advanced view, and tap on the status again. As you can see, we've got much more information, so we can check, for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the testing mode, kind of. Basically, a lot of these codes are technical ones. So the *#4636#*#. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone and the Wi-Fi info and also usage statistics. So let's start, for example, with the Wi-Fi information. API configuration and the status are the sections which you can check. Let me pick the status, for example. We can refresh the stats. And as you can see, we've got the information just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Let's go back. We can also enter usage statistics. So here we've got the list of all processes and apps which are currently on this device. They are sorted by usage time, but of course you can change it to the last time use or app name, for example. And as you can see, they will be listed alphabetically. We've got also the phone information, and here we've got technical info, obviously, about the device. We've got the email number. We've got also the phone number, the roaming, the data service, voice service, etc. I do not have basically information here because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got one, no worries, you will be able to check everything. We can also run ping test here. We can tap on the three dots again, and here we've got more information, more options, so we can, for example, enable the data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's go back. That's all for this code, and let me show you another one which will open the version test. It is *##225#*##*#. And this section will also provide you with the information about your device, so the product name, barcode, the serial number, secure boot, whether it is enabled or not, both email numbers, of course, and the custom type. Let me show you the last code, basically, which is a factory test. So the code is *##. It is *##558#. And here we've got the factory test. So basically, we've got the debugging port. We can enable or disable it just by tapping on this option. We've got the settings here, which is basically the privacy. You will have to agree to those terms whenever you will open this factory test for the very first time. I've got it currently agreed to because it is my second or the third time when I'm opening this factory test, so be aware about that. And here we've got the QC test. Of course, you have to scan the code firstly, but you can simply tap on I have scanned, tap on the QC test, and as you can see, you've got some kind of different sections which you can test. You've got the email number, you can check it. Yes, it works normal. So basically, whenever those sections are work properly, you have to tick them that they are working perfectly fine. So the phone information, that you can open the about phone, and again, it works normal. All right, so that'll be all. thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.